Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the accessibility shortcuts to the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Control Center. In here, go to the More Control section and tap on Accessibility Shortcuts. Tap on the Add button to add the accessibility shortcuts to the control center. Now, if you pull down your control center, you can see you can tap on that accessibility shortcuts. Otherwise, to remove it from the control center, we go into the control center menu and then go to the included control section. Next, tap on the remove button and then tap on remove, and this will remove the accessibility shortcuts from the control center. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.